Okay, brothers, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world. Okay, guys, today I'm back to share with you a very powerful trick that is going to help you to win your bet in a more easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, this small trick I'm going to share you. Okay, it is a small option, but it is a very powerful option if you use it in the right way. If you use the option in the right way, it will really help you and it will boost your wins. Okay, so guys, the best thing you can do to understand this is to watch the video, the full video. Okay, and also, if you don't want to miss any of my new video, the best thing you can do is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and also guys, support my channel by liking the video. If only I'm helping you by doing this video, like the video. If you like the video, I will be really happy when you like my video, guys. Okay, also guys, okay, those of you who really want to secure their account, okay, those who really want to secure their account, and those who really care about their account, okay, the best thing you can do is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is D, okay, VIP, DVIP. Okay, this is the best promo code in terms of security in the world on the OneXBet platform. Okay, if you create an account by using this promo code, you are not going to face any issue, any challenge on the OneXBet platform. Okay, whatever the amount of money you are going to win on the platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit. It is the best promo code in the world, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Let's go make us share this trick with you. Okay, and watch how I'm going to select the match and how I'm going to select the option so that you can do the same thing. Okay, it is very important. Okay, the option itself is not very important. The most important it is how we are going to select the option. Okay, so watch the video so that you understand. Okay, so now let's go to England. Okay, let's come to league cup. Okay, league cup. Okay, then now guys, what you are going to, as we can see now, when we come here now, we can see that the home team have more chance to win this match. Okay, it means that the home team is very strong and the home team have more chance to win this match. Okay, and the away team, we can see that the away team, the second team, is very weak. It means that even for the second team to play draw here is going to be difficult. Okay, so as soon as we know that, we also know that the home team is going to have the possession during this match, and this is the most important details. Okay, we know that in this match the home team is the one who will get the possession. So the ball will always be on the leg of the home team. Okay, so as soon as we know these most important things, now what we are going to do now, let's find the offside option. Okay, let's go to the offside. Okay, offside. Let's find the offside option, guys. Okay, hey, this is the offside option. Now we come here, we select offsides first half. Okay, offsides first half, guys. Okay, let's come here. Okay, guys, we know that the home team is going to have the possession. Okay, we know that the home team is very strong. Okay, and we also know that the second team is very weak, and the second team is not going to have the possession at all. Okay, so as soon as we know that, okay, we know that because the second team is not going to have the possession during this match, we know that for the second team to get offsides just for the first half here, for them to create a lot of offside just for the first half, is going to be very difficult. Okay, very difficult, guys. Okay, so what you are going, as soon as we know that now, what you are going to do now, guys, we calm down. Okay, we select total 2. Okay, total 2. Okay, select the total 2 option. Okay, you are going to target the second team, okay, the weak team, okay, because we know that the weak team here will not get the possession. The ball will not be always on their legs, so they cannot create a lot of offside, a lot of offsides here on the first half. They can't, because all the first half, the possession and the ball will be on the leg of Liverpool players. Okay, guys, I hope you understand what I mean. I understand the logic behind. Okay, so anytime you just have to try to find a very strong team against a very weak team. This is the first step. Now the second step, now you come to offside first half and you target the total of the team that are very weak. Okay, so here the weak team, our weak team here is Fulham. Is this team, okay, is the team 2. Okay, so now we come here, we select total 2, offside first half total 2, guys. Okay, and then we come here, we select this option here. Okay, this is 100% sure. I can assure you it's 100% sure, but the odds is very very low. Okay, so let's target this is a very very safe way. It's a very very safe way you can just use and win our bet in a very very easy way, under two offside for the weak team, or just for the first half. If at the end of the first half the the weak team didn't play 2 offsides, you win your bet. And we know that the second team is not going to have possession yet, so it will be very difficult for them to have 2 offsides just for the first half here. Okay, so guys, this is the option I wanted to share with you today. Okay, so if only you like this this option, okay, tell me what you think on the comment and give me a super like, guys. Give me a like. I'm back for this new year's with a lot of tricks, guys. Okay, so take care of yourself and have a nice day. Ciao, guys.